Hi, it's Alaska Granny. I don't know about you, but I'm always just gathering up random first aid items to make up my own kits, and I finally decided it's time to get one that has actually everything in it, and I can supplement and refill it, and it's already in a nice little pack, and so this is the one I chose. It's an adventure medical kit. It is supposed to service 1 to 5 people for multiple days, and you can see right here it says it has supplies for camping, backpacking, hiking, and mountaineering. So those are similar to the activities that I do. On the back of the kit, it gives a list of all of the things that are in it. It has wound care, burn and blister care, severe bleeding kit, sprain and strain supplies, and medication and instruments. So I'm going to take out the things and show you, and see they're put in little packets, and they're sort of labeled with the item, the category. So I'm going to take each one out and I'm going to show you what's in every pouch. One side of the pouch is labeled wound care, burn, and blister, and there were several little compartments, and I took everything out, and you can see there are several types and sizes of gauze. There's one big piece of moleskin, except I think it needs some scissors so you can actually cut the moleskin to fit the size you need. There is a sterile cotton applicator, or it says there's 2. One compound benzoin tincture swab stick. There's several antiseptic towelettes, some surgical tape, an ace bandage, several triple antibiotic cream packets, and an assortment of band-aids. This is the way the things all fit inside. On the wound care, burn, and blister side, there's a large compartment here, another large one here where the tape and the elastic bandage go, and then there's 3 small compartments here for the little items. If you look at the other side of the package, it has a hypodermic needle with a syringe in the middle, and then 2 compartments labeled severe bleeding and medication instrument. So I'll show you what's in those packets. Here are the contents from the other side of the bag. There are a pair of gloves with a plastic Ziploc bag, a biohazard sticker, and a cleanup pad. There's a great big sturdy pad here that's very thick and durable, and a very big selection of medicines. There's aspirin, Difen, which is for allergies, Afterbite for insect bites. I definitely would put in an Afterbite stick. That's not enough when I get bitten, especially since there's no repellent in here. Diamode, which is for diarrhea problems. Iprin, which is like ibuprofen. And then there's a little pair of tweezers, which seem to be pretty good. They're in a little container, so they're not going to get broken or lost, I suppose. Then there's a very comprehensive wilderness and travel medicine guide. This is very complete. Now, the problem is, it's in your kit. Don't just put your kit away and never study this. You don't want to wait till there's an emergency to learn the information in here. As soon as you get a kit, get this out and read it. And then remember it. And then remember to put it back in your kit. Here are the items loaded up in the severe bleeding. There's a big pocket for the book, and then 2 smaller pockets, one for the biohazard kit, and I put all the little medicines in here. Another thing that I think is missing, ladies, if you're getting this, put in something like tampons if you're going to ever need those, because I can think of no bigger emergency than needing one of those. So there you go. That's the contents of the Adventure Medical Kit. And it's the Mountain Series Medical Kit Day Tripper. And I'm getting ready to go on a trip. So I'm going out into the mountains, and I'm going to be taking this along. But as I said, I'm going to be adding a few things for myself. I'm going to be adding a little pair of scissors. I'm going to add some bug repellent, and a larger afterbite stick. Plus, I may stick in some tampons, even though I don't know if anyone on my trip will be needing those. So always make sure you have appropriate medical supplies for what meets your needs. And you know, these are just a guide. There's no one right answer to what should be in a medical kit. Get the things that, you know, get a basic kit and add the things that you need extra. If you take prescription medicines, stick some of those in there and be sure you label them. Leave me a message on what you're doing to meet your emergency medical needs, and if you would like to continue to receive tips and tricks from Alaska Granny, please subscribe to the Alaska Granny channel. Have a wonderful day.